Baba.
I can't wait to get home. It's my 12th birthday and it's going to be so special. Hello. It can't be true. Is it possible that no one has remembered my birthday? What's that?
Surprise! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Andrea. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tony. We have an amazing present for you.
We are going safari together, darling.
Wow! Thank you very much. I love animals. This is going to be the best trip ever. Thank you.
Oh, what's that? It's a lion pride, but don't be afraid. They are very peaceful with visitors.
Is there any lion baby, like Simba?
Yes, honey. Look, Rafiki is also there.
Is it true? Where is he?
Andrea, that was kidding.
Well, it's getting dark. We have to go back to the hotel.
Good morning, Andrea. Today is our last day. Come on.
Oh, well, I'm going to enjoy it to the max. Where are we going today, Dad?
The guy told me we were going to the Great Rock to look for zebras.
Wow, I love zebras. Mr. Brown explained to me that zebras are donkeys wearing pajamas.
Good morning. Here I am. How are you all? Shall
Well,
we go?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, we've arrived. Follow me. Let's go.
Look, there's a guy approaching us.
Oh, don't be frightened, Andrea. It's okay. It's a Maasai. He's probably new here. He's very friendly. He's not dangerous at all. Don't worry.
But why is he coming over?
Maybe he wants to play. Don't worry.
I think he wants me to go with him. Can I go, Daddy?
Well, I don't know.
Please, he...
It could be dangerous.
No, don't worry. Don't worry at all. They're very friendly. It's a tribe very friendly. Don't worry. They're peaceful.
Well, okay. But you have to be here at 7.
Thank you.
Be careful, honey.
And what's your name?
How can you speak English?
Oh, I didn't know that I could speak English. This is fantastic.
Don't joke.
Okay, I can speak English because Mother had a British friend and he taught her the language. Mother thought that it would be useful to learn English, so she taught it to the whole tribe.
And why haven't you told me about this before?
Well, because I can speak English very well, so I was a bit embarrassed.
You're doing it very well, don't worry.
Oh, thank you so much. But you haven't answered me. What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Andrea and I'm from Ireland, next to Great Britain.
So, are you European?
Yes, I am. Ireland is an European country. And what's your name?
Oh, sorry, I'm Gamal.
And where are we going now?
We're going to the Maasai tribe. Mother is the head woman and the shaman.
Don't you have a father?
Yes, of course. Why do you ask that? Look! They're doing the rain dance!
Oh, Rain! Come to me! I just want to sing! And sing it in the rain. Rain! Just sing it in the rain. Rain! Love! The rain falls in my skin because I love singing in the rain! Rain! Hey, look at the girl who's coming with Kamal. Who is she? Why is she coming? Oh no, Maybe she's an intruder. What are you talking about? Shut up! Wow, no, she can be an intruder. She's coming with Gamal. Maybe she wants to be part of our tribe. What do you think? Or maybe she's his girlfriend.
She looks like a nice girl. What do you think if we prepare her a welcome celebration?
Okay, let's go! Hello, children!
Hello!
Gamal, who is she?
Oh, she's my friend. I've just met her.
Hi, I'm Andrea.
Whoa! What's happening here?
Mother! Father! She's Andrea. She's my friend now.
What is she doing?
She's trying to greet you.
Oh, like the monkeys!
Excuse my husband. He can be so foolish.
Well, I'm Mother, the head woman and the witch of this tribe.
Hello. Gamal told me it when we were coming. And why isn't your husband the headman?
Because this tribe is a modern matriarchal society, Andrea.
What's a matriarchal society?
I don't know, but it's funny saying lots of time. Society!
Society! Why don't we show our traditional dances?
Oh yes, that's a good idea.
Okay,
Let's see. Come on. Dance. 3, 2, 1, go! Welcome to my tribe. Welcome to my tribe. Again. 3, 2, 1, go! I said a hey, hi, the heavy to the heavy, say no one, the heavy and the boogie and the wiggy wiggy. Hey, I said a hey, hi, the heavy to the heavy, say no one, the heavy and the boogie and the wiggy. Very good.
Wow, thank you very much, Masai. We don't dance like this in Ireland. I have spent a really good time with you, but I have to go. My parents will be waiting for me.
you're welcome. You can come back when you want to.
Thank you.
I'll go with you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you see that? What's going on? What are you doing? What does it mean? I'm having a premonition! What are you seeing? Some cannibal have kidnapped the children! Oh no!
We have to do something.
We have to rescue them!
And we have to do it right now.
But what can we do? Where can we go?
We have to separate and look for them.
Okay, I will go to the caves. I will go to the rainforest.
Or I will stay here and wait for you to come back.
Don't be scared and come out with me.
Shut up! We have to look for them all together. My magic stick will show us the way.
Okay. Come up! Follow me. Do you see, Ding? Today's our lucky day. We're going to have the biggest feast you've ever imagined. I've heard that children's meat is the best one. It's juicy and tasty and...
I don't know. I think it's too salty. I like all these spices.
Fine, but please remember not to add...
Sugar, I know. You have diabetes. But anyway, I didn't intend to send someone a diet because I want to lose weight.
Well, you wouldn't have to diet if you didn't spend so much time sharpening your lungs.
Oh, you mean that lens? That is an investment for the future. And bear in mind that is the best lens ever.
Look! Andrea and Gamal are there! Oh my god, they are going to eat them!
I'll rescue the children.
Shh! Be quiet or they'll find us! Oh look! They are just about to cook the kids! We have to do something! Quickly! Oh look! Intruders! They are coming! We can't let them escape! We got to! Oh! Give me my son! Put them all into the cauldron!
Oh, come on. Don't you see? This diet isn't healthy for you. If I were you, I'd consider becoming vegan. There are plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables you should try.
Well, I don't know.
Yes, she's right. And what about vitamins, eh? Besides, summer's coming, and I heard that eating carrots makes it easier to get a tan, and it's also good for your size.
Well, the truth is that now it takes me longer to distinguish between a man and a monkey.
Monkey? But even if we try to, we can't give up meat that easily. We need some help.
Then join us. We can help you.
Really? Would you do that for us? But why? Yes. I tried. We think everyone is good inside. So, maybe you became a cannibal because of your childhood.
We are more than willing to help you. There are minds expressed in our childhood can also heal your soul.
Okay then. Oh, and we feel really sorry for what was with them.
It's okay. Okay.
Come on.
Oh,
We were sure you'd rescue us.
thank you, Masais. I'm gonna miss you all, even you too.
Gamal, will you walk Andrea to the hotel?
Sure. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye. Take care and come back.
Darling, look! Andrea is back at last.
Andrea!
Oh, man, yeah.
Oh, thank goodness. Andrea, you're a naughty girl. We were so worried about you. Where have you been?
Well, this is Yaman. I met him and I met all his family, and we were in the jungle and we were kidnapped by some cannibals, and
Stop. It's a funny story.
Andrea, you have such an imagination.
that's not fair. You never believe what I tell you.
See, madame, and I was telling you the truth. It has been terrible. We were scared to death. Please, Andrea, accept this necklace. It will give you good luck. I never forget you.
Oh, take care. I hope I will come to this country again, and I will see you. What's that noise?
Oh, it's my tribe. They're doing the fireball dance.
If you're happy and you know it, then you really, really show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.